If the world collapsed tonight, would you be ready or gone in just 72 hours? These 15 survival gadgets are built for chaos. Stay till the end, because the last one could save you. Number 15. GitX Go Kit. When disaster hits, hesitation can cost everything. The GitX Go Kit removes that risk instantly as an entire survival kit consisting of food rations, water pouches, solar power bank, emergency radio, flashlight, and first aid kit. It is built of fireproof and waterproof materials and keeps your gear safe under harsh conditions. The clever design has structured sections and fast-track pockets, which save life-saving seconds. It is light but strong and easy to pick. This kit makes you ready, whether it is its earthquakes, floods, or even blackouts. One bag, zero confusion, and everything you need to survive. Number 14. Spot Gen 4. Imagine being completely off-grid with no way to call for help. The Spot Gen 4 solves that instantly. This tiny device is connected to the satellite networks that enable you to send SOS alerts, GPS position, and check-in messages wherever you are on Earth. It is shockproof, tough, and waterproof, and is meant to withstand extreme conditions. Emergency responders can know your location at the press of a button. It has replaceable long-life batteries, hence it is also reliable in long missions. No signal? No problem. This device is your lifeline when it comes to survival based on communication, because being found fast can mean the difference between life and death. Number 13. SunJack 25. Watt solar charger power disappears first in any crisis. The SunJack 25 watt solar charger revives it. This is a foldable solar panel system with power of 25 watts, and it has two 10,000 mAh power banks. You can recharge devices using USB-A and USB-C or store energy to be used later. Constructed using the hardy ETFE, it is resistant to heat, drops, and weather. It is lightweight and can be carried in your pack. It is even equipped with carabiners and storage pockets, phones, radios, lights, all powered anywhere. When the grid fails, this ensures your gear stays alive and functional. Number 12. Vargo Ultimate Fire. Starter fire is survival. The Vargo Ultimate Fire Starter makes it reliable every time. It combines a ferro rod and magnesium system with an extendable bellows for controlled airflow. This means you don't just start a fire, you grow it fast, producing 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit sparks. It works even in wet or windy conditions. Built from stainless steel, it's lightweight, yet extremely durable. The compact design includes a precision striker and carrying clip for quick access. With thousands of strikes available, you'll never depend on matches again. Heat, cooking, signaling. This tool ensures you always control the flame. Number 11. Katadyn Pocket Filter. In the survival, water is more valuable than food. The Katadyn Pocket Filter guarantees clean water on the move. It is a hand pump filtration system which operates on a 0.2 micron ceramic filter to remove bacteria, protozoa, and contaminants. It is capable of providing up to 1 liter per minute and is able to filter up to a staggering 13,000 gallons in its lifetime. Constructed of tough aluminum casing, it is strong in extreme weather. It is easy to maintain. Clean the filter and continue. No batteries, no electricity, just reliable purification. It is a device that transforms unhealthy water into life-saving water at a time when you need it most, regardless of whether it is in rivers, lakes, or filthy sources. Number 10. Stratos Aero Pyyros. Carrying multiple tools slows you down. The Stratos Aero Pyyros replaces them all. This is a multi-purpose life survival tool that integrates a powerful flashlight, fire starter, power bank, and emergency signaling system into a single device that is small in size. It also has a personal locator beacon on global rescue signals. The modular design enables you to customize features based on your needs. It is built to withstand the most extreme circumstances and is reliable in times when the weather gets out of control. Instead of juggling gear, you carry one powerful system, faster access, lighter load, and maximum efficiency. Number 9. ZOLEO Satellite Messenger Communication is survival. ZOLEO Satellite Messenger has you connected everywhere. It will automatically connect to the satellite, cellular, and Wi-Fi networks and will ensure continuous communication. You can send a text, email, GPS position, and SOS alerts to the emergency services. It is built on the IP68 durability and can withstand harsh weather and extreme conditions. The battery has duration of more than 200 hours, hence ideal during the long period of usage. It also offers a special number and check-in system to update. You can get help no matter how lost or stuck you are, since during emergencies, connection can be the difference between life and death when all other efforts fail. Number 8. Eton Quest Emergency Radio. When everything goes dark, information becomes power. The Eton Quest Emergency Radio keeps you informed. It accommodates AM, FM, NOAA weather and shortwave frequency, thus providing access to important updates across the globe. It has no limits because it may be powered by solar, hand crank, USB, or batteries. It is also a Bluetooth speaker, has a flashlight and reading light. An inbuilt USB allows you to charge your phone. Small and multifunctional, it is a radio, but more than that, it is a communication center. When you are in a disaster, it can be a matter of life and death to know what is going on. Number 7. ReadyWise Emergency Food Supply food becomes scarce fast in disasters. The ReadyWise Emergency Food Supply solves that. It offers 1 month of freeze-dried meals in durable buckets. Having a shelf life of 25 years, it is designed to be prepared in the long term. Foods consist of breakfast meals, pasta, soups, and protein foods, which are energy and nutrition focused. It is easy to prepare. Simply pour hot water and wait. It is light and high in calories, which makes it ideal in the bug-out bags or during evacuations. In case of supply chain failure, you won't starve. Good food is more than comfort, it is survival, and this system keeps you ready for the long haul. Number 6. Arcturus Survival Blanket. Cold kills fast. The Arcturus Survival Blanket resists. It is made of multi-layered polypropylene fabric and reflective mylar, which captures and reflects body heat effectively. It is 60 by 82 inches and can be used as a full body cover or as a shelter. Reinforced grommets are adaptable to be installed as a wind block or a tarp. It is waterproof, windproof, and very durable. Although powerful, it can be folded into a small and lightweight size. It is ideal with backpacks and emergency kits. Whether used as ground cover, rain shield, or heat barrier, it protects against harsh conditions. In survival, staying warm isn't comfort. It's critical for staying alive. Number 5. Valhalla X-Frame. Bivi shelter is your first line of defense. The Valhalla X-Frame Bivi delivers it. This full emergency shelter uses a 3-layer waterproof and breathable fabric to keep you dry and ventilated. The X-Frame structure maintains shape while reducing condensation inside. It measures over 2 meters long, giving enough space to rest comfortably. Built-in mesh panels block insects while allowing airflow. Tie-down loops keep it stable in strong winds. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to carry anywhere. Rain, wind, or bugs, this shelter protects you from all. When conditions turn extreme, this becomes your safe zone. Number 4. Titan Tacamo Emergency Fire Kit. Fire means survival. The Titan Tacamo Fire Kit ensures you can always create it. It comes in a stainless steel tin with a ferro rod, striker, magnifying lenses, and a variety of tinder types, including fat wood and waxed rope. This diversity ensures fire during wet, windy, or cold weather. The tin doubles as a cooking container, adding extra functionality. The waxed canvas bag keeps everything protected and portable. Multiple ignition methods mean you're never dependent on one tool. Reliable, compact, and versatile. This kit solves one of survival's biggest challenges, because without fire, survival becomes much harder. Number 3. Sirius Signal C1003. Being seen is survival. The Sirius Signal C1003 makes sure you are. This is an electronic distress beacon that emits bright LED lights to flash a signal of SOS up to 60 hours. It is reusable, safe, and long-lasting, unlike a flare. Built with high waterproof rating, it works in rain, storms, and harsh environments. It also includes a distress flag and whistle, giving both visual and audio signaling options. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily in any kit. When rescue depends on visibility, this device gives you a massive advantage, because being found quickly can save your life. Number 2. Survival Frog Quadra-Pro power keeps everything running. The Survival Frog Quadra-Pro delivers it anywhere. It has 4 5.5 watt solar panels installed that charge an 8,000 mAh battery with sunlight. USB and wireless charging enable you to charge 3 devices simultaneously. Integrated loops and carabiners allow you to use it to charge your gears. It also has LED flashlight to be used at night. It is rugged, compact, and efficient, and is made to handle real emergencies. Phones, radios, GPS, everything stays powered. When the grid is gone, this becomes your energy source. Power is not something to be flared about. It is a life and death thing. 1. Rhino Rescue Survival First Aid Kit. The Rhino Rescue First Aid Kit is designed to handle serious emergencies. It contains tourniquets, emergency bandages, chest seals, compressed gauze and trauma splints. Burn therapy and emergency blanket avoid complications. It even features CPR tools and airway support equipment, showing its advanced capability. Organized inside a compact, durable pouch, everything is easy to access. Although certain tools might need training, this kit gets you ready in case of worst-case situations. In critical moments, the right medical gear saves lives, and this kit ensures you're ready when it matters most. If you find this video informative, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in next video.